Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you Medellin, which is the second largest city in Colombia. In this video I'll be showing you around the city and give you some tips in case you want to visit Medellin. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you Medellin. Medellin is the capital of Antioquia here in central Colombia. Medellin is known for having a very good nightlife, beautiful people and amazing weather. This city is actually known for being the city of eternal spring. It's always sunny, well not really, but there's always nice weather and it's a beautiful city to visit. So if you've never been to Medellin and you want to know how it is, what to expect, this video will help you out because I'm gonna show you all the places that you don't want to miss, where to eat, and some general information to give you an idea of what to expect if you're coming here. So this is not my first time in Medellin. I was here 4 years ago, so I knew what Medellin is all about, but the city has changed a lot. The city looks more modern and just nicer in general. So on this trip I'm staying in an area called El Poblado, which is back there somewhere, and El Poblado is a very nice area. It reminds me a little bit of Condesa in Mexico City because it's very trendy. There's people from all over the world. When you're walking you hear a lot of people speaking English or other languages, so it's a very international place. So if you are coming to Medellin, I highly recommend that you stay in El Poblado. I feel like that's sort of like the best neighborhood to stay. Also, it's very central because it's right in the middle of the city. If you want to go to the center, you just go that way, or if you want to go to the shopping malls, you go to other ways. Like you are in the middle of the city, I guess. So I think that's the best option if you want to stay here in Medellin. So this city is known for having a very good nightlife and beautiful people, and let me tell you, it's true. The people here are not only very beautiful, but they are so welcoming. I feel like so far they have been the friendliest in all of the cities that I've been in Colombia. I don't know, people here are very nice and I love their accent. They speak so nice, they feel like they're from here. Okay, so we are gonna start our tour here. This is called Pueblito Paisa, which is an attraction that you don't want to miss. This place has the best view in the city. You'll be able to see Medellin in all its glory, and as you can see, Medellin is surrounded by mountains. It reminds me a little bit of Mexico City because Mexico City is also like a valley, but this one is like a mini valley because you can actually see the end of every mountain and it looks really nice. Okay, so let's get this video started and welcome to Medellin. So there are a few ways to get to Medellin, but I feel like the best way to get here is by plane. You don't want to get here by bus because the bus rides are very long, and I don't know, I don't recommend. I also don't recommend renting a car. I don't know if it's safe. I would just fly here. From Barranquilla to here it took me 1 hour, so it's very fast and the fares are actually pretty cheap. I used an airline called Avianca. Avianca has been my airline here. I have used them quite a few times and every time everything is perfect. They are on time, the service is great, their planes are clean, nothing to complain about them. I recommend them a lot. So right now I'm staying in an area called El Poblado, which is like 20 minutes from here or so, and I took a taxi from there to get here. Now in Colombia, Ubers are illegal, so technically you are not allowed to use them. But I have used them and I haven't had any problems. I prefer to use Uber because here the taxi drivers charge you whatever they want. If you're a tourist, they're gonna overcharge you, and I don't know, I just feel like just to keep it safe, use Uber, use Didi. That's the safest way, and that way you know that what you're paying is what you're supposed to pay. So this is La Plaza Botero, and it's a very popular landmark here in Medellin. Botero was born in Medellin. He's an artist that was obsessed with fat people, and he does these sculptures and paintings of fat people, and there are many sculptures in this square. So I'm gonna take a look. I am about to try one of the most typical Colombian dishes, which is called la Bandeja Paisa. This dish is very typical here in Medellin, and I actually never tried it. And I came to a restaurant called La Hacienda, which is located in the center of Medellin, and my food just arrived. It looks really massive, so big, it has so much. So if you're gonna try a Bandeja Paisa, the best place to have it is called Hacienda. This place is located in the center of Medellin, and well, I researched online and apparently this is the best one to try that. My favorite thing is the sausage. It's so good. I also ordered this drink, which looks like a soup. Actually, it's warm, but the lady told me this is a very typical dish here. It tastes like atole. I don't know if you've ever tried atole, but this is like warm and it tastes just like atole. So I'm not sure if this is only for one person. I feel like this is definitely a lot just for one person. So if you come with someone and share it, because this is crazy. So the official currency in Colombia is the Colombian peso, which has many zeros, many zeros. So it's very easy to get confused. I recommend you download an app before you come here. That way, every time they give you a price, you can convert the Colombian pesos to dollars or Mexican pesos, whichever your currency is. That way you will know how much you're paying. "20 years ago, Medellin had the highest murder rates in the world, and 16 people were murdered on average every single day. That's why the city used to be called the murder capital of the world. But of course, that was a long time ago. I know some people are concerned about visiting Colombia because of the safety. And let me tell you, while I was there, I always felt safe. Medellin in general is a safe city. You will be fine, especially if you're in the touristy areas. I visited 4 cities in Colombia, and after Cartagena, this is the city where I saw the most tourists and foreigners. There were many foreigners, and the vibe of the city is really cool. So if safety is something that concerns you about visiting Colombia, definitely don't. Things have changed a lot. Yes, this city used to be very dangerous, and of course 20 years ago you would not want to be here, but things have changed so much. So, what do you think about Medellin? Would you like to visit this city? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching till the end. If you're planning a trip to Medellin, I hope this video helped you out. And well, before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see my upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Adios!